JBL Tune 120 earbuds. First I show you what is in the box. In the box are one left and one right earbud. There is this charging cradle. I'm going to open this. You can take a look inside, and I'm going to get really close on this. Look at this. How close I'll get. The charging cradle has those gold contacts in there, left and right. Look at that. And it does have a charger, a USB connector there, with a little protective rubber flap that seals that off. Now, you charge this little charging cradle first, and then what you do is you plug in your earbuds, and they plug in magnetically, left and right. And when you do this, you see them both light up. There's the light on, and there's the light on. That means they pair to each other, and they are charging. See all three lights here, this is full, and those lights are on, they're full. That's how that goes. That's how you transport them. That's how you have them in your pocket. And when you need to pull them out, you can. Let me show this to you how this works. For the very first time that you use those, let me put this over here. You also need an ear to insert them. Yeah, I have two ears here, left and right ear, right? So I show you how to wear them first. Let's take one out. This is the left one for the left ear, and here I have a left ear. And you're not plugging them in like this, or like this, or like this. They go in like that, forward like this. You plug it in all the way like that. See that? Straight line here, so that you can read this JBL logo great. That's how they in, and they don't fall out. Ha ha! Look at that, my ear fell out of my microphone. You wonder why my ear has a cable through it? It's a microphone. Okay, so there's the microphones in my ear. All part of this, okay? Now, let's take the other one out too. So, for the very first time that you use this, when you take them out, they will blink blue because they want to power up and they want to connect to your phone. Let's go into my phone here. I'm in the Bluetooth settings, and they should show up down here as devices. There, JBL Tune 120 WTS, and then they go in here as Tune 120 TWS connected. So now they are connected to this, and I can go here to my audio and I can play here my songs. And then they should play on both of them the song. If you look at this here, the song is basically playing. Now, this one is playing, and this one is playing, both of them. Volume you can select here, and that's basically how they play. They pair to each other automatically. So basically what happens, the Bluetooth of your phone is connecting to the right earbud, and the right earbud is connecting to the other earbud. To power them off, you would just put them back into the cradle if you want. So you have your cradle here, and they just snap in with this magnet in here, right? That's how you turn them off, and you also charge them like that. What more can you do? You do have manual controls on them. So for example, when they power off on their own for some reason, so let's say they are off because you didn't play music for a while, you can go to the right earbud, this one here, and you can push and hold the button for 5 seconds. That would basically turn them on. Now, you can also do this to turn them off. So let's say you have those both earbuds in your ear and you forgot your cradle at home while you're out jogging or whatever, and you want to save some battery life here and you want to turn them off. So what you would do is this. On the right earbud, you would turn it off by pushing the button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they're off. And you see on your phone that it disconnected. So it's playing now through the phone, right? Because it's not connected to the earbuds. To power them on, you use either the left or right earbud and you push the button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. So now they power on. Both will power on. And they will reconnect to your phone. Here, let me turn this down more so we can see them. So this one turned on, right? 1, 2, and on. Both are on. And they switch over there. So now both of them are playing. Okay. When you push the button 3 times, they will connect to each other in case they are not connected. Good. What else can you do? The button commands. On the left one, this one here. You can click once and it goes to the next song. I wonder if I can see here a better thing here. So if you double click twice, it goes to the previous song. So let's say it plays that. Click once, it goes to the next song. Do you see that it goes to the next? And you click twice, it goes to the previous song. There. I do it again. Twice. Previous song. And once. Next song. You saw that. So now what we can do is we can call SIRI by touching the button twice, the right one. If we want to do this, double click, it called SIRI. Hey Siri, what is the temperature today? So it tells you the temperature here, right? Do 2 button pushes again and talk to her. Play music. And you can tell Siri what to do. Okay. Now, what else can happen? So, for example, see, there I get a call, and now to answer the call, you would push the right button once. Hey, Dwayne, how you doing? I'm gonna call you back later. I'm like in the middle of something here, okay? Thanks. And you click again once, and you end the call, right? Yeah, what else can you do? You could also do a mute during the call. That happens too, if you need to. Oh, he calls again. Hey, Dwayne, can you hold on 1 second? I just have a quick thing here. Just hold on a second. So I'm holding now for 3 seconds. And it turns it off. In the user manual it says you are supposed to hold for 3 seconds and it is going to... so it says when you hold it 3 seconds, it's going to mute your microphone. Hey Dwayne, is it really so important? I just need 3 seconds from you, okay? 1, 2, 3. So now basically it's on hold. If I push 3 seconds again, it goes back to the phone call. 1, 2, 3. Hey, can you hear me? Hey, Dwayne. Hello? 1, 2, 3. Nothing. It hang up. So obviously this doesn't work on an iPhone, I guess. So now we are playing music again. Alright, so we talked about the charging already. So if you need to charge this thing, you have to, where's my focus here? Open this thing, and this is very hard to do. With the fingernail, you have to go behind here and then go this way. Then you need the very short charger cable that comes with it. Plug it into your laptop or whatever you have there, and you can charge this charging cradle independent from like really independent. You can charge it from those buds, and in order to charge the buds, you just put them into the cradle and you're good again. So yeah, that's how that works. If you want to turn them off, you just put them in here. Jeez, that dude goes on my nerves. It's just, yeah, what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, that's how you turn it off. And that's basically the basic instructions on how to use those. I hope this helped you a little bit, this video. And you see, if you have any questions, just write it in the comments. And if you want to read all about this, you can go into the package thing here, and there is a quick start guide in there like this, and you can read about how things go in this little quick start guide that comes with the headset.